If you want to make your Zoom calls more fun or professional, I'll show you how to change your Zoom meeting backgrounds on mobile in just a few steps. First of all, open the Zoom app on your phone and sign into your account. Then, join or start a new meeting. For this tutorial, I'm gonna start a new meeting. And once you're in, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the controls. Then, scroll all the way to the right from the bottom options and tap on More. After that, select Background and Effects. Here, you will see a list of virtual backgrounds. Tap on any one to apply it instantly. And you can also add your own background by tapping the plus icon, then choosing a photo from your gallery. And that's all. That's how you can quickly change your Zoom meeting background right from your phone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.